Microsoft Surface laptop is one of the best laptops on the market, but until now, customers could only pick it up with the Windows 10s operating system, which is more limited. Now, however, Microsoft is selling Surface laptop through its commercial store and, for the first time, the company offers users the option to buy a device with Windows 10 Pro already installed, through Neowin. Although it is sold through the commercial portal, like the Surface Pro equipped with LTE, anyone can buy one. But unless you really want to avoid the upgrade process, it's probably not worth taking Microsoft in the offer, since the company is charging $100 extra for choosing Windows 10 Pro above 10s, and Microsoft still offers a free update to Windows 10 Pro, at least until March 31st. Apart from the option for Windows 10 Pro, the rest of the commercial Surface laptop offer is basically identical to the consumer options: Intel Core i5 or i7 processor, 8GB or 16GB of RAM and storage that goes from 128GB to 1TB.